Presenting boAt Rockerz 330 Pro Wireless Neckband in navy blue. It is also available in active black, blazing yellow, raging red and teal green. The box contains the Rockerz 330 Pro, user manual, warranty card, additional earbuds and charging cable. It comes in a size of 17 x 14 x 2 cm and weighs 35 grams. The wireless neckband comes with magnetic earbuds. Enjoy boAt's signature sound with dual pairing feature and 10mm drivers. These are powered with 60 hours playtime with ASAP charge technology that gives 20 hours playtime in 10 minutes of charge. Built-in microphone with ENX technology for clear sound and single-press voice assistant. The IPX5 waterproof rating makes it water and sweat resistant and suitable for exercising. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.